Hello, this is Steve World 72 doing another unboxing video. My buddy in San Francisco sent me something new, and I'm not sure if I'm the first one or whatever, but I wanted to try to get this video. I ended up getting it early this week, Monday, but I've been busy with work. Even with the coronavirus, I'm considered essential. I'm a contractor, so I pretty much have to stay busy all the time. Anyways, to the most important part, and by the way, I don't have my normal camera guy. He's doing his yard work, and he's got a big, huge piece of property, so yard work takes him a while. But I wanted to get this done as quickly as possible. So, anyways, got this in today, actually Monday, and I'm gonna do a real quick unboxing. I already did some of the tape work. I'm having to do it all single-handedly, and so I'll cut these sides open. Oops, sorry. Oxidean Marine. Looks like a mini dom, but this is a special mini dom. Put it up. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed. And it's the new Kevlar version of Oxidean Marine's mini dominator. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. I apologize. It's his new Kevlar version of the mini dom, famous mini dom. That's fucking nice. I do have the carbon fiber one, and now I got the Kevlar one, which matches my Dominator. And this is actually my second. Sorry, gotta adjust my arms, getting tired. This is actually my second mini dom, but my fourth Oxidean Marine boat. Nice Kevlar, super lightweight, blue Velcro straps, XT60 connector, turn fin, and rudder. Come in a little bit closer. Check that out. It's pretty awesome looking. I'm excited. Just need to put a receiver in it. It's a badass boat. This is now my, looks like there's some more hardware up in the front. It's now my fourth boat. On my videos, I have a video of my animal running. The fastest speed I got out of my animal is 105. I think I got 75 or 78 out of my mini dom. And then these things, I run the heck out of them. And I think I'm running roughly around 38 to 42 miles an hour, depending on what prop I run on them. But these things are such a blast. I love these boats. A lot of fun. Again, I'm sorry about the camera, but I'm holding it with my left hand while I'm trying to show the boat. This is badass. I can't wait to get it in the water. I'm working on waterproofing my receiver. I run Futaba 7PX with all my stuff, and I'm waterproofing the receiver right now, and it will be going in this boat, and I'll probably be driving this boat tomorrow, so I might have some video tomorrow on this badass boat by Bill Oxidean Marine. Thanks, Bill. I appreciate it, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Y'all have a happy Easter and Good Friday. It's a beautiful day here in Texas, but man, we got some awesome storms coming tomorrow. I'm a roofer, and I love hell. And it's supposed to be hailing tomorrow. So, anyways, I'll see you guys soon. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and comment. Thank you.